family to idiots in cars. If you're new to my videos, I need to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started.
Nice shot.
I want to know how the police managed to turn off his bike. This is the exact reason why they say no phones allowed at a gas pump. Instant karma.
You right? You right?
The guy's left, right?
Hit and run people are so lame.
Hey, buddy. 41, 41, 41. 41, 41.
How far do you really think you're gonna get running, my G?
As he had.
These new kids are different nowadays. Man, this type of content is brain rot.
Hey, light it up. Who got a lighter? Who got a lighter? Who got a lighter? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Hey, Ricky. Oh, that nigga tripping. Hey, light it up, light it up. Hey, light it up, light that shit up. Light that shit up.
I'm telling you, these new kids don't give two shits. That's why they be stealing cars.
Oh my god. Hey, you good? Yo. No, don't get out that car. Don't get out that car. Oh my fuck. That wasn't me, bro. Oh my god. Holy.
Well, tell daddy you destroyed the car. There's no coming back from this one.
Bruh, watch out, bruh. Damn, bruh. Sheesh. Mayhem and rush on the level of destructions. Wow. Sheesh. 3, 4. I can already. Right down, nigga. 5, 6. Damn, that's how I said. Shit, burn it.
You know, I can't even blame it on just the kids, man. I bet there's grown men in there doing this shit too.
Oh shit. Get up in there.
Well, now you don't have a BMW no more.
He saying that bit. He saying that bit. He saying that bit.
This is why I don't be racing Mustangs. More toilet water content.
Somebody gonna match my freak. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna...
And now when he goes to court, I never did that. Women in their natural habitat. You had so much time and space to make that cut, and you still didn't do it. You see, when you're driving, just focus on driving. Anything else ain't worth it.
I was telling him not to fucking
You know his last name?
I don't know his. I just met this as our first date, and I told him don't fucking try it.
Let's go over here, man. Let's go over here and I'll get Hey.
I literally told him not to try it.
Hey, I just asked
This gotta be the biggest L in history. You see, it's always the Mustangs. Hopefully the driver was okay, but I don't know at this point.
Okay. We're gonna pass it right through this corner. Watch out, that let me go inside. Oh my God!
I know for a fact your battery ain't handling that too well. Like I will keep saying, North America people aren't used to speed and they don't have the reaction time for it. So stop doing it. It's a big risk.
Is there water? Do you have water?
Water. I don't know if you want to do that. So I got water.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck, man.
I don't know, maybe start with unplugging the battery first. I don't know why you screaming. It's all your fault, man. Why would you go there?
We're making a right on.
Left onto Ward Lake Road. That one vehicle in the right lane. Alright, good pit, good pit.
Why do these Altima drivers think they're the fastest thing on earth?
We're gonna make a right on to Harper. Put the right blinker on. Ain't nothing over there. We going right.
Please don't put her on the road.
70 horsepower.
You said 470 horsepower?
The only way that you can really tell is if you drive this motherfucker. They put a centrifuge on this one. Under here, I don't know what they did, but I will smoke a Porsche. Go on 81.
Yeah.
When you get on 81, nothing can touch you.
You go supercharger.
No, they put a, I don't know what it is. To be honest, I don't know what they did to it. It cost me $24,000 more.
You see what I mean? Maxima, Altima drivers all think they got the fastest cars. Poor Accord, man. You know, I don't know what's worse, you recording the video or the tow truck drivers.
You seemed to have something to say. I wanted to know what you wanted to say. You just flipped me off. I was just curious. You seemed to be really confident. Bye-bye.
I don't think the Karens like you too much.
Are you serious, bro?
Yes.
Bro, you had me drive 4 hours for this?
I didn't have you drive 4 hours for nothing.
4 hours for this, bro. You recording this? Bro, 4 hours.
You was interested, bro.
Fam, I was interested because I thought it was a Rolls Royce.
It's a Rolls Royce.
Fam, but bro, look at this, bro. Does this look anything like this? Literally, look at this, bro.
A little bit from the side.
Fam,
Man,
I drove.
A car is a car, man.
A car
It's
isn't
just
a
like
car.
A Rolls Royce, man.
Why did the Craigslist ad say Rolls Royce?
Because it's a man-made vehicle. I put it together. I put all the labor
Oh,
into
my
it.
goodness.
You're
You
not
put
going
all
to get
bro.
no car for no price like this, man.
Fam, you got it for $50,000.
$50,000. It's a $225,000 car. $50,000.
A $200,000. Bro, this is a $5,000 car at best.
Nah.
Come on, bro.
This
This got to be like an old 5
I
Chrysler.
put over $20,000 in labor on here.
Come on, what did you do? Put some old Migo foes on it? That's all. That's the only difference I see in
Put
it.
it together.
Come
You
on,
said
bro.
you was
Where did you even get
interested.
this
You
picture?
want to buy it or not?
Bro, where did you get this picture from? That's what I want to know. I want to know where you got the picture from.
Don't worry about the picture. Do
Bro,
you want to
this-
buy? I got the vehicle. Do you
Bro,
want to buy
I
it or
don't.
not?
Bro, why would I want to buy this? This ain't a Rolls Royce.
All right, man. You can.
Bro,
just leave
you. All right.
You're wasting my time.
You wasting your time, bro.
You're
You
asking
need to
me
cough up
questions.
some bread. I done drove 4 hours to come see this.
Cough on some bread. You said
Something,
you was
some gas
interested.
money.
That don't- if you say you're interested and I tell you where the vehicle is, that means you come to look at the vehicle. I didn't say I'm giving you a vehicle. I didn't say I'm giving you a gas car, refunding gas.
So this
no
is
nothing.
so this.
Well, why would you think a Rolls Royce is $50K?
Control 501 to pass on 68, speed 75, he's driving in lane 1.
Policy Centre at Victoria University at this moment. Essentially, environmental approval for the solar.
R.I.P.
We do have recovery. Do you want recovery? What happened? Road range. Yeah, the insurance wanna buy it.
Bro, ritirate tutto, bro. C'è qualcuno che giochi da te, bro. Bro, there is a guy that, bro, sta uccidendo tipo.
So stupid. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. If you want to see more car content, I need you to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And you already know, NAC out. Imagine losing to a stock Mazda 3. Couldn't it be me?